हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टीचिंग स्पार्क्स। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ मेरा बीएड का लेसन प्लान जो कि डेविड बिगिंस अ न्यू लाइफ पे है, उसका पार्ट 2 आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। बट बिफोर वी मूव ऑन, प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर सच educational and craft content. So let us discuss the starting of a lesson plan. In the starting, we have to write the subject, topic, date, class, period, and time period, and also the lesson plan number. Moving on to the first point, which is of general aims. In this, we have to write 4 to 5 general aims. General aims remain quite similar in each lesson plan. Like in English, all the general aims for all the lesson plan will be same and similar. Second point is of specific aim. In this, we have written 4 specific aims. You can even include more according to your chapter and content. Then the most important part of a lesson plan are the teaching aids. So here I have used a specific teaching aid in which I have made a chart showing all the difficult words which you will be seeing in the slides ahead. Expected previous knowledge of the students. So our students already know about the first part of the story which we have discussed in the previous class. This lesson plan is part 2 of the chapter David Begins the New Life. And for knowing the first part, do watch my previous video. Then coming back to the lesson plan, then the next point is of introduction in which you have to ask a few questions and have to write the expected answers. And then the next point is of statement of aim in which we reveal our aim, that what is the chapter which we are going to discuss in the class. This is a small creative demo chart which I have prepared as a teaching aid for this chapter, and for part 1 I have prepared a chart which is in the shape of a bag. Then the next point is our presentation in which we have to show how we will present a chapter in front of our students. So here you can see all the points of presentation in the screen. The next point is of generalization. So the teacher generalizes that the students have gained all the knowledge relating to the topic David Begins the New Life. Coming to the 9th point, which is of recapitulation, in which we will ask a few questions of recap to the students. And then the 10th point is a concluding statement. This is the last point, which is of homework, in which we will give homework to our students. And then last comes the teacher signature and the supervisor signature.